Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to talk about video content. 5 mistakes that we all make while creating video content, myths about video content, and a lot more. This is going to be a comprehensive guide, so please stay tuned till the end of the video, and I hope that this is going to help you immensely to start your video content journey or improve if you are already on your video content journey. Let's get right into it. Let's talk about some common video mistakes you might be making. First up, skipping the strategy. Without a clear goal, your videos might look fantastic, but they might not connect with your audience. So always start with a goal in mind. Are you trying to educate, entertain, or maybe convert your viewers? Next, we have ignoring your audience. It's super important to understand what your viewers care about. If you tap into their pain points and interests, your content will be way more engaging. Now, let's not forget about quality. Good lighting, stable footage, and clear audio go a long way in maintaining your brand's credibility. Nobody wants to watch a blurry video with bad sound, right? And here's a biggie. Not having a call to action. Make sure you're guiding your viewers on what to do next. Should they subscribe, visit your website, or follow you? Don't leave them hanging. Finally, consider repurposing your content. You can use your videos across different platforms to reach even more people. So by avoiding these common mistakes, you'll be on your way to creating videos that really make an impact. Short-form videos are everywhere. Platforms like TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts make it easy to create quick, engaging content. These bite-sized videos capture attention instantly and are perfect for our fast-paced lives. They're great for conveying messages quickly and effectively. Now, let's debunk some video marketing myths. Myth number 1, you need expensive gear? That's wrong. Start with just your smartphone. Myth number 2, longer videos are always better, but I say short and punchy often wins. Myth number 3, you need to be on every platform. I say focus where your audience is. Myth number 4, going viral is the goal. Guess what? Consistent, valuable content is better. Myth number 5, video marketing is too hard. I would say with the right strategy, it's easier than you think. If you want to generate leads with video, here's how. Create content addressing your audience's pain points. Educational videos, how-tos, and testimonials work great. Always include a call to action. Ask viewers to sign up, download a freebie, or visit your website. Use landing pages with embedded videos to capture leads. Share your videos on social media and in email campaigns to reach a broader audience. Let's talk about storytelling now. Storytelling makes your videos unforgettable. Start with a strong hook to grab attention. Make it relatable. Share stories your viewers can connect with emotionally and focus on evoking emotions. Keep it simple and tie it back to your brand. To rank higher with your videos, optimize for SEO, use catchy and relevant titles with your main keywords. Write detailed descriptions explaining your video and include keywords naturally. Tag your video with related keywords. Add closed captions for accessibility and improved SEO. Promote your videos on social media and embed them on your website. Wondering why you should choose SweetBuild Studio? We make content creation easy, handling everything from ideas to editing. Our AI technology creates personalized videos that look, sound, and feel just like you. We offer lightning-fast delivery, get your content within 24 hours. Our platform-optimized videos shine on Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube. We provide unlimited revisions until you're 100% satisfied. Here are 3 quick tips to enhance your next video. Focus on lighting. Good lighting makes a huge difference. Keep your audio clear, use a good microphone, and record in a quiet environment. Add captions. They make your videos accessible and boost engagement. I would also like to mention that for scheduling the content, I use High Level. For DMs and comment auto reply, I use High Level. For email marketing behind the scene, I use High Level. For auto reply bot, I use High Level. For sending lead magnet automatically, I use High Level. For forms on website, I use High Level. Check out the link in the description to see how High Level can help you automate all this and reduce your expense on using multiple tools. This is your next all-in-one tool. Well, thanks for joining us today on this comprehensive guide for video content. I hope that this is going to help you and motivate you to start your video content journey. If you think you need our help, you can go ahead and click the button below in the description and book a call with us so that we can move ahead and see if we are a good fit to work with each other. Apart from that, I think that you are worth creating more content for yourself, and we wish you all the best. See you in the next one.